Okay, time for another room tour, and today we are in the Xiulan Hotel in Baoding, China. I'm not sure I pronounced that right, but you'll have to forgive me. And this is my hotel room, and it's definitely a business hotel. The room is actually huge. I'm up on the 18th floor. I'll give you a look at the view in a moment. And they really went to town on the dark wood and all that kind of office look. I've got somewhere to work. There's plenty of plugs dotted around. I've got the old telephone down to reception if I need it. Lots of bottles of water, which is good. There's a fridge here as well, which even has some stuff in it. It's the first hotel I've been in China that's actually got stuff in the minibar. So yeah, big comfy chair here. I've got some little welcome stuff as well. Very big bed and huge wardrobes here as well. Lots of space to put everything away. It's got those fire masks again. It's a new thing that I've noticed in the hotels here. They all have them. You've got a safe, lots of places to put all your luggage away. There's even an umbrella in there as well. So yeah, lots of space and storage. I've got a TV there as well. And then the bathroom, which you can actually see through the glass here. So depends on who you're going to be staying with. I'm on my own. So I've got a big bathtub in there, all very comfortable looking and nice. Shower and a separate toilet cubicle, all glass. It's a little bit unusual, but there you go. Sink, single sink, and all your usual plugs and mirrors and things like that you would want and expect. There's even enormous bathroom scales, which is something that we don't see in hotels that often anymore. But yeah, this is a little quick tour of the hotel room here. What do you think? If you're ever in Baoding in China, this might be somewhere you would like to stay. I'll give you a quick look at the view. It is getting a little bit dark out, so it's not that great. And it's also, the windows are actually very, very dirty. So you'll have to apologize for that, but it gives you a little bit of a view. This is the 18th floor, and yeah, there you go. That's a quick room tour. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, tell us in the comments below if you thought it was good, entertaining, useful, anything like that. It's always good to know. Please do like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, all that kind of good stuff, and we'll keep doing more of these.